Hello to all medias. We are very exciting about the game tomorrow because we are playing against the best team in Asia at the moment. It's very hard to say about the results. Only we want to play good game. We want to, because we are playing at home. We are playing in front of our supporters. And we have some issues. We will try to put pressure on South Korea and we'll see what will happen. Yeah, of course, in history happened a lot of surprised results. We do all the best. Our team is very motivated, of course, to play against South Korea. We have a good quality, and tomorrow we are expecting a really, really good game. What will happen, we'll see. Okay, I can say thank you to Mr. Bento if his opinion like that. For us, it's big motive also to play a good game, to play a really good game tomorrow, to put pressure on South Korea. We saw last 5 matches of South Korea. We made a good analysis. I will see tomorrow. In South Korea, playing one of the best players in Premier League of Finland, Son. Yes, and you can expect everywhere from Son. He is a player who can change the game with one movement, one shoot, one dribbling. He is one of the most dangerous players in Korea, of course. But of course, we are not afraid. Sometimes you can score more goals. Sorry. Sometimes those things has happened. But for me, it's very important that we created a lot of chances. We could score more goals than we score only 2 goals. We could score maybe 5-6 goals. And we try to make these things better. I hope in the next games, starting tomorrow, because tomorrow is very important game. We cannot expect 5-6 chances like we had in Sri Lanka. 2 or 3 chances because South Korea, what I told you, the best team in Asia, and we must be like killer in that moment. 1 chance, 1 goal. 2 chances, 2 goals, if it's possible, of course. I will decide about the first 11 tomorrow before the game. All 23 players are involved. Tomorrow I will see. I have some dilemmas.
Good luck.
Спасибо.